welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and today we are taking a look at SPAQ, Spartan Energy Acquisition. And the reason why Spartan Energy, which you would have no idea what the heck are they, what are they doing, why are they going up so quick in value within a week already, up 60%, what's up with them? Well, they are a company who's acquiring Fisker, and they are taking Fisker publicly by merging Fisker with SPAQ. So with this, they're actually now going to have an actual business because they're acquiring a business, which I love this. I love the whole aspect of literally there's companies out there who go public. They really have no business, as you can see. All they do is just trade
sideways.
And they're a holding company and they wait for an acquisition, which then they can say, oh, look, we're Fisker. That's how they bypass and quickly take companies public without them having to do their own IPO and go through all the loops and legislation and time that it would take for them to go public, especially right now with the stock market being the hottest craze. Every company wants to go public to capture all that retail money. So here are all the articles referring to what's going on. By now it's old news because literally any news in the stock market after a day is old. And if an article comes out and you read it an hour later, you're now late because the stock already pumped up. It pumped up. And if you're barely hearing about SPAQ, like I said, it's already gone up 60%, but can it go higher? Can it be the next EV, the next one to beat Nikola, the one to beat Neo, the one to beat Solo? You know, EV is the craze right now. So is Fisker a better contender for your money, a better investment for your money than all the other? In my opinion, actually it is, because Fisker has been around for a while. And not the greatest cars, not the greatest track record, but you know, an actual business compared to the other ones. And the other ones are especially out of this country in the US. Fisker is already here in the US, so at least that I'll give them that. So I do like that. The fact that it's gone up 60% isn't much, you know. I see it as the start. First of all, in order for the price to go higher, they need to follow the footsteps of Nikola. They need to change the name, SPAQ. They need to change the whole Spartan Energy, because then people are like, oh, I'm investing in Fisker, instead of, oh, I'm investing in Spartan Energy, which you're investing in an energy company? No, an auto company. That's so confusing. So I think just with the little marketing promos of changing their name will help the stock spike up even more. As you can see on Robinhood, it's been spiking up every day. But, okay, here's the biggest but. And this is where Robinhood is lying to you. Unless, let me see, if we do the expanded, yeah, whatever. And then we go to not the line, but the candlesticks. And then let's check out the week. You see, this is where Robinhood is like, it's really hard, and you can't even change this. It's so hard to tell on Robinhood. Their graphs, their charts really suck, unless if you want to look at it at the really basic level of the line. But as you can see, what's the difference here? You don't see that spike and downwards slowly. It was literally a spike, and then it was just flat the whole day. And let me show you what I mean. Again, it's spike, and then it's kind of flat and just going down. And on just Robinhood, it looks like spike and going up the whole day. Spike and it goes slowly down. Actually, it's very different. This graph is very deceiving, because if we go check out Webull, you can see the first initial spike, a lot of volume, a lot of buying, and then slowly, spike in the morning, and then down, and then just kind of traded down. Whereas this day is this day. And you can see it's kind of like, it's whatever you can see it in your eye, and it's hard to draw lines to figure out like how it's going. So if you're seeing it in real time, you don't know whether it's going to go up or down, other than just like, I believe it's going to go up. So this spike from today, when I'm making this video, was even a pretty fake one, because it was a lot of pre-market. It opened up, it shot up in the first 15 minutes and then shot down. If we look at the 5-minute time frame, again, it's even more dramatic. Literally so much volume in a couple of minutes. It spikes up and then quickly goes down, and it's been going down, and down, where now it's at $17.50. So if you're buying at $20, you're down $2.50, which how much is that? If you bought at 20 and you're at $17.50, you're down 11%, which is a little scary, you know, but everybody has their hopes it's going to go up. I'm just showing you in a day-to-day basis what you might be seeing and how a fake out this stock is right now. I really believe that it's going to take those marketing efforts of changing the name, the whole entire name, really letting people know this is what it is, so the average person can jump in. And that way we can have FOMO, which FOMO drives up the stock immensely. If we look at FOMO from the South Sea stock back in December of 1718, and why am I showing you this? Because it has a little description of what the heck is going on. And did you guys know that Newton, Sir Isaac Newton, was an investor back in his day, where he actually went poor because he lost his money in this trade, where he bought a little bit, he made money, he was happy, and then it spiked up, and then Newton bought more. This is FOMO. This is what we want to see. We want to see it to spike up higher, so then we could get FOMO from people higher than this. I'd say $25, and then them changing their name, it'll spike up even more. I'd say 25, 30, 35 in my opinion, and then that's where the drop's going to happen. So you got to be careful with this stock. I do believe it's going to continue to go up, but it's going to be a pump and dump in my opinion, and as it's already being shown as a pump and dump. Pump, a little bit of a dump, people rebuying again, but going, spiked up in the morning, and they dumped it, and then slowly, all these people who made some gains are cashing out. Maybe they rebought an entry, or I don't know, but then it just spiked up, down and down. So be careful with this stock. Be careful with all these EV stocks right now, especially with the volatility. I'm only sharing this with you guys because I don't want you to get faked out. If you're going to hold long, okay, great. But if you're going to hold long, it's because you love the company Fisker, in my opinion. That's the only reason why you really want to hold long. They do have this nice car coming in 2022, which looks nice, and I will give them the benefit of the doubt that it's going to do well. Again, especially because I'm in California, I've seen these cars around. But now that we're speaking about their stock, I think it's going to take FOMO to take it all the way to double it again. So if we're at 17, to double your money right now, it would need to go trading at 35, 36, 37, 38. Be careful. Am I buying SPAQ? No, because I don't really like to jump on these things. What if we get bad news? What if we get, oh, the deal's not going through and it's gonna dump so fast? Literally, insiders know the ins and outs so much faster than us. So it's not gonna drop. In my opinion, it's going to go through. It's been confirmed. It's going to stay, but there's always that possibility of what if. And again, I'm invested in other companies, but look at this. Look, it just keeps dropping. I don't understand. People just buy in, they sell, and then maybe tomorrow we'll see another spike up. So be careful. A lot of people are going to be telling you, oh, this is better than the other ones because they are in California. They are selling. They are this. And I do agree. That this one is better than other ones, than other EV companies. Like I said, especially Solo and Neo and screw Nikola. All of those ones, they suck. So again, I like the stock. If you're going to invest in this, you got my seal of approval. I'm just kidding. You don't need it. You just got to do your research and know why you're investing, have an investment strategy. In my opinion, it looks cool. It looks great. But I am personally not going to touch it. I just want to be an observer, see where it goes, see where the EVs goes. How long are they going to keep going up? Tesla, oh my gosh, it went up. I know I shouldn't be talking about Tesla in a SPAC video, but it's the craze. Literally, Tesla is the leading one in the industry with the craze, and so people want to also make a couple of dollars with other stocks in the similar sector. So that's why, be advised, be careful. These stocks are tailgating Tesla in the form of growth, but can they sustain it? I believe Tesla can and will continue to and outperform, but these other stocks, these other companies, they're going to get an influx of capital. They're going to make so much money. Then you got to watch out closely. What the heck are the directors doing? Are they using the money properly? Are they investing? Are they reinvesting in their own business, grow their shares, or are they going to start selling some of their shares because they're going to have a spike, they're going to have a payday? So be careful about that. Remember, those are the people who literally will be pushing to pump the stock, and then let's say we get there at 35 and they drop it from 35 to 20 so dramatically, so fast, because everyone's selling at the same time so quickly, and there's not enough buyers to meet the demand that the stock price keeps going down and down and down. And for that reason, be careful, be advised. Again, looks great. SPAQ, nice. Okay, I give you 2 stars out of 3, I guess. I don't know. I don't have an official rating. I just made that up. Very cool, very cool. Be careful. Look at these pumps. If you don't have Webull, go definitely check it out. I have a link in the description. It would help out the channel if you get it through my affiliate. Like I said, the reason why I show you a lot of stocks through Webull is because the charts are way better than Robinhood. Like, oh, look, it's not that bad. Oh, it could probably go back up. You don't have the full story, and you need to learn how to read read the graphs a little bit better. That way you're more educated and more on edge of what the heck is really happening. Like you see it spiked down so fast, and then yeah, it picked up. What's going on? All right, let's see the volume. Let's see what the heck is going on. But overall, it keeps dropping. It keeps dropping. Is it gonna go back up? I believe so. We just got to get a little bit more news. We're gonna change the name. Yay! Up, 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 up. All right, guys, have a great day. See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below, what are your thoughts? Have you bought in? Are you gonna buy in? What EV stocks do you have? And I'll see you in the next one.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.